video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I put a video up, it will let you know.
Okay, bye-bye. You just kept going.
I just kept going.
You're funny.
Look at that. My man Turtle wanted a chicken neck.
He's so cute.
We'll just...
Oh my God, was that really heavy?
I'm with Grace and Sergey.
Hello.
But she's going to show, so what we're doing, you got chicken necks on there, right?
Yes, actually this one randomly is a drumstick.
A drumstick with skin on it. So we just got regular chicken necks, and they just got them tied, and then you got their net, and all they're going to do is just really, really, really slowly bring it up.
This is pretty shallow here, so I like to kind of go a little blind sometimes.
See? Little guy, but see? Hey, it's real quick. Easy, yeah, it's great for the kids.
Yeah.
Great for kids. If you notice, you're allowed as many hand lines as you want, and they got them on every pole. So you can come out here, there ain't nobody else here, come up here and just start walking around. As soon as you start seeing the lines start kind of moving away, most likely you got a crab on. Sergey and Grace, thank you.
Yes.
Thanks, buddy.
You guys take care.
Absolutely, have a good day.
Have a nice day. Okay.